Okay, welcome back to part 8. This one's been dragging on, but I've been doing lots of little ones just every night when I'm out here doing a little bit. Last night I told you that I was printing the little bit for the scribey bit. I don't know if you can see that there. This is actually on the end of the shaft. But I've got a little scribe there that I've made out of a hacksaw blade. So I got a standard hacksaw blade. Now make sure you get high carbon, not high speed. High speed hacksaw blades are crap for anything other than using them as a hacksaw. And then I don't know why people make them for hacksaws, because it's not like anybody's going to actually cut at high speed. Anyway, high carbon ones are really awesome because you can heat them up with a blowtorch. You can see there the end, the paint has been cooked off, but that's because I've heated that up until it's red hot. Are we going to focus? No, I think we're on manual. Try. I don't know how to make it go automatic. No. Interesting. So sorry about that if my focus is a bit weird. Oh well, live and learn, I guess. I'm going to have to get a camera with automatic focus. So actually, let me see if I can focus on that for you. Somewhere there. Hacksaw blade, heat it up till it's red hot and just let it cool down. Then you can cut it with a pair of tin snips. Really easy, not a problem at all. And I find that really good because you can cut it, you can drill it. As you can see, I've drilled a couple of holes in there. Really handy. 2 mounting screws, I can adjust that. I've slotted them with a file, and I can just slide that bit up and down to adjust it so the point of contact matches the cutting blade. And on the other side, I'm not sure if you can see it there, I actually filed a 45-degree edge on that there, so it matches the 45 degrees on the cutting wheel there. If you can see that, there you go. So yeah, then that couple of screws in there, I can adjust that up and down. That was printed yesterday. That sits on the end of this assembly here. Screws on there. And with the carriage on here, the key rides across that, and the bumps on the key lift that up and down, and it moves across the cutting wheel to match. So you just slide it back and forward gently on there, and it should reproduce the pattern on the key. So the last bit that I'm just printing now, and I think the printer's just finished, are these little saddles, which are going to go on here to hold this down with a couple of screws in there. And I think that's my tiny little homemade key cutter done. I told you yesterday I still need to machine the cruciform key, which I haven't done yet, so that'll be the next project. I'll probably set up the GoPro to film that as I'm actually doing it, so you can get it all with its glory of me swearing and everything. But this is now ready. A couple more screws, one in the side there where my thumb is. Pull off the other one of these saddles, clamp that down. I'm not sure if I'll cut that shaft off. I probably, when it all works, will, unless I end up using that shaft for something else, so I'll leave it like that for now. But yeah, that's pretty well it. So the next bits to these videos are going to be me actually using it, me making a cruciform key and that kind of stuff. So that's part 8, and the little key cutter is finished. I hope you enjoyed that. I actually had great fun. It's one of my quick week projects. It's probably 2 hours in total time and effort that I've put together. I know you add up the videos. I didn't put much time printing and drawing this stuff up. It was really quick and simple. I'm using PETG carbon filled. Really been loving it. A little bit of stringing, especially when it's wet, but I keep it in the dryer and it's a lot better. Finish is really nice. It's matte. It's really stiff. It softens at a much higher temperature. I mean, you got to print with a full metal hot end at about 245, but it prints nice. It's a really strong, sturdy print. I like glass nylon better, but I haven't been able to get the finish I want to have recently. I think it's just been too moist, and I haven't been able to get it dry. So I've been using this for a while now. I've just bought another 2 rolls, and I've really been happy with it. I am going to work out how to post the STL files for this, if anybody wants to play with it. In fact, I might even post the DWG files so that people can edit it and play with it as well and do whatever they want with it. So there you go. Stay tuned and watch me use my key cutter. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Thanks.